Hello there guys, it's Joel here, aka Gallucks, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am mid-packing to go to Singapore/Bali tomorrow with my friends, but these sneakers arrived today finally and I wanted to make a video of them, so whilst I'm up in the air, this video is going to pop up, so I hope that you enjoy it. If you haven't yet subscribed and you do like this video, don't forget to subscribe because that would mean so much to me, and definitely don't forget to follow me over on Instagram so that you can see my travels, what I get up to, where I'm going. Leave me little comments and stuff so I can check out your profile, and let's get on with this sneaker unboxing. I've literally been obsessed with these since I saw, I think it was Khloe Kardashian posted a sneak preview on her Instagram of the Desert Rat 500s, and I was like, they're really cool. I thought they were called Mud Rats at first, but they're actually called Desert Rat. I was lucky enough to pre-order the YEEZY Wave Runner 700s on the YEEZY supply website and ship them to my friend's house in New York. So I was planning to do the same for this drop because I knew that they were going to pre-order on the YEEZY supply website. On the night that they dropped on the YEEZY supply website, I was having dinner with my friends and I was there at the dinner table trying to cop them. My friends were completely fine with that. I was actually really thankful that they were okay with it. Some people would be like, put your phone away. But I was just like, this is important. I need these trainers. So I was there at the dinner table trying to do it, and I had a few sizes in my basket I could never check out. Obviously the YEEZY supply website doesn't let you make an account or anything like that, so you can't check out really quickly. And by the time I'd added to cart and gone to enter my payment details, all the sizes had gone. Luckily, last time when I did the YEEZY Wave Runner 700s, I was literally just on the YEEZY supply website by random, at random, before it got posted on Hypebeast or anywhere like that. So I managed to do a really simple checkout process, and obviously there was so much hype around this pair that loads of people knew when it was dropping, what day. So yeah, so it was difficult, so I didn't manage to cop it. And then I saw, that was pre-order anyway, so these aren't even, people don't even have those yet, they're out in April. And then I saw that they were selling them, or you could do the Adidas confirmed app in LA. It was an Adidas event. It was an Adidas All-Star event, I think it was in LA, and they were $200, and you just do the Adidas confirm thing and you could pick them up there and then, so people had them in hand. And I was like, okay, so people are probably going to be selling them, so I went on Grailed because I feel safer buying things from directly from people that I follow, or from places like Grailed. There was a couple of pairs going and they were really, really expensive. And in my head I was like, I've worn my YEEZY Wave Runners so much that it's made up, I got them for retail, so I was really happy about that. And then the YEEZY 500s, because I've been wanting them for so long, I was like, I'm just gonna bite the bullet and just pay whatevs. I made an offer to a guy on Grailed and he got back to me and was like, sorry, we've had higher offers. I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna do your asking price. So I paid, I'm a bit ashamed to say this actually, I paid $700 for these sneakers. But then again, I paid $595 for my Balenciaga Triple S. My neon Balenciaga Triple S that I pre-ordered last summer from the Balenciaga website finally arrived whilst I was in Italy. They tried to deliver it 3 times, and if they don't get to deliver it, then they send it back to the sender. I was in Italy for 3 days. They tried for the 3 days that I was in Italy. They were supposed to ship in January, so it's already a month, 2 months late anyway, because it's March now. It was February at the time, but still a month and a bit late. So they've gone back to Balenciaga, and you know what? I don't even want them anymore, so I'm not even going to try and get them to sell them on or whatever. I'm just going to do a return. I'm just going to let them have them. Get my £595 back, and that'll be sweet. They've brought out Balenciaga 2.0 Triple S, which looks even nicer now, so obviously I don't want the clunky neon green one that I pre-ordered, that I thought was cool last summer, and now I'm just like, I can't keep up with these sneaker releases, you know? There's so many that I want, and everything costs so much money, and it's just like, wow. I love these, and I'm very, very happy that I have these. And they're in the colorway that I wanted to, the blush, because I could have bought the bundle with the Supermoon yellow, but I really wasn't feeling that color. But anyway, without further ado, here is the box. So you've got the 500 written on the front, YEEZY 500 made by Adidas. Here, YEEZY 500, I got UK 9.5. Which I think is great. I mean, I've tried them on and they feel comfortable. My YEEZY Wave Runners were a 9 and they fit fine, although they're not the most comfortable of sneakers, to be honest, the Wave Runners. Compared to the 350 Boosts and stuff, they're just not as comfy, but I guess that's the nature of the sneaker in itself, because the other ones were kind of like socks. So here are the bad boys themselves. They're freaking ugly. They're really ugly, but I love them. I love how weird and wonderful the sole is. It says non-marking, but maybe they don't leave marks. So this is the first Adidas sneaker that I've had with Adiprene in the sole. It's a technological advancement by Adidas, which provides cushioning for the heel and the forefoot. Forefoot, that's a big word. So basically, it's not boost, but it's, you know, comfort. There's a suede area at the front, and then little bubbles of suede going up the sides, and then it's got bubbles of mesh going around it as well, and then suede paneling on the back. It's just a really, really interesting kind of unique design. I just think they look great. I think they look great on foot, like the most. It has reflective panels in it too, but I don't know. I'm gonna try and shine my light. Where's my phone? Yeah? No, let me turn this light off. I can't even tell if you can see the reflective. Ow! Some retailers were selling the sneaker as well, like RSVP gallery and stuff. It's just getting harder and harder to cop these days. But I do enjoy collecting sneakers though, and I do like having them. I just need to, once I've moved out into my own place, then I can fully expand my collection and, you know, have them all where I can see them. I don't have a lot of space here in this room, so I can't go too crazy. But yeah, I love these. I'm gonna wear them to go to Singapore and Bali, and then when I go to LA I'm going to LA for the whole of April, so that's pretty exciting. These, I'm a UK 9 and I got these in a 9.5, and I think that is a great fit. I will show you what they look like on feet.
Hang on till it hurts. Think of you with her. Sleeping in your shirt. How I get over you. Wonder where I am. Forgetting you.
I'd love to know your opinion on these sneakers. I think they're super, super ugly, but beautiful at the same time. I think they're a perfect balance of ugly and beautiful at the same time. Would love to hear your opinion on these. Do let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram to follow my travels, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Forget why we came here, just like it's last year, when we were young and I was the one. When the conversation's over, this is over.